Hi there, a quick video on how you can use the looper function in your Kemper without having the Kemper remote, just by using a very simple 2-button momentary switch. I have here the Mosky switch, dual switch, very cheap one. Thing you need to do is you need to connect it via a TRS cable, tip ring sleeve or stereo jack like some of you might call it. Just connect it to the switch, and on the back of your Kemper you have an input, switch 1 and switch 2. I've put mine the other side in switch 1. Now to configure the looper functionality, you go to System, and on page 6 of your system settings you have pedal 1. Now in the mode function, left here mode, you put it to a dual switch. Then switching ring, I have put it to looper stop, and switch tip I have put to looper start. And basically now you can control your looper via this dual switch. The disadvantage is that you don't have any visual feedback, but as long as you know what you're doing and where you pressed, it works. I'll give a very short demo of it, because it's not the intention to be a performance video. Hope you can hear something, because it's also a very simple setup that I have here for recording. So I'm playing the loop now. I can stop it by pressing the other button. So it stopped, play again. Now if I want to overdub, I just press play again. Now it's in overdub mode. I can start recording some other stuff. Go back to normal play. Can stop it here, and if I press 3 times, I already pressed it once, so 2 times again, the loop is clear. So if I play now, I just go to recording. You won't hear anything because I'm not playing. So that's a very quick explanation on how to do it. I'll turn my Kemper around so you can see. TRS cable has been connected here. Sorry for the bad lighting conditions, but it's here in switch 1. Hope it helps. Bye.